To start working with React Native, we need to install Node. If you open your terminal, here's the terminal in Mac. It's called terminal, but in Windows called command line, and you can get it in the search when you just type cmd. This is in Windows, but in Mac, just in your apps, just type terminal like this and press on it to open your terminal. Because I installed Node, if I just type node-v, I can get the version of Node 22, but I assume you didn't install it yet. So in Google, just type Node download and press on the first link here. Then, because I'm using Mac, I get this Mac installer and I can press here and download it. But if you are using Windows, you're gonna get the default is Windows like this, and just choose your architecture from this selection. Okay, after downloading Node, you can just open it and install it. It's very simple, like you install a program or something. You can just agree and install. In Mac, you need to add your password. Now I'm done. If I just create a new terminal and just type node-v, now I can get the Node version number. And if you notice, it's still 22.12, not .13, because I didn't switch to 13 yet. And I don't want to. I just downloaded the Node to show you how to download it and install it. And also check npm-v to get the version of npm. If you get those two versions, that means you installed Node correctly. If you don't get those two versions, that's refer that you didn't install Node correctly. But don't forget to close the current terminal and try this code in a new terminal or a new command line, okay, after installing Node. So don't use the previous command line or terminal that you opened before you downloading the Node, okay? Now let's go and download VS Code. So in Google, just type VS Code. This is the code editor that we're gonna use in this course. So right click on that link and you can download here for Windows, for Linux, or for Mac. Just download it, and after download it, just install it. Now this is our code editor that we're gonna code with. One last step I want to make. If you press here in this extensions, I got a couple of extensions that are helpful for me, and those are gonna be helpful for you. Those extensions are React Native, React Native Snippet, React Native Tools, React ES7 plus React Redux React Native Snippets, and React Native React Redux Snippets. And also, I got this wonderful extension for code spell checker. This is for check the spelling in my code. And also this extension, material icon theme, because it's make our folders and because they make our folders looks better, the icons of folders. And the preacher here to format our code. And for all those extensions names, you have a file in resources, got all the names of those extensions. You can just search for any extension that you want. For example, React JS, for example, let's just type anything, and any extension that you want to install, just open it and press install here. Or you can also press on that button, install. And after installation, just close your VS Code and open it. Those extensions will be very helpful for us.